Hello, my name is Michael. I'm working for the Hammer Aluminium Industries and I'm the IT administrator. We are melting aluminium, making parts for the automotive industry, for the building industry, and also for the railroad and the ship industry. Before, we used for remote access a solution like standard VPN tunnels. Big issue was that we not directly know what they did when there was in the VPN tunnel. There was no approval process behind. We had no audit logs, and we need a better remote access solution. So we used Cyolo. Our production employees, they have now the option to get the request when someone wants to remote access somewhere, and they can approve it. And in the end, they know who is on the machine and who is doing something. Also, that's a security thing from our customers. Cyolo enabled for us a really cool approval process, and we have an audit log now behind that we see in detail when people grant access, and a vault function that we don't have to give external partners passwords anymore. It's configured automatically. Our users, they're happy with the solution because they see now if someone requests an access to a machine on the plant. Also, our external partners, they're happy with the solution because they don't have to install a VPN client anymore. And they see the devices where they want to access directly in the Cyolo website. And they don't have to think anymore, okay, on which device I need access, which IP or which passwords do I need for the access, because it's configured on Cyolo. Working with Cyolo and Building Point, also in the post-migration, is very good, with a good connection to each other. For other companies who are looking for a new remote access solution, and at the moment, I would say, look at Cyolo. They have a very cool solution. It's very fast to implement it. It's very intuitive. That's very cool.